give it a title.
Piece of shit TV died one day after the warranty. This is how I'm going to fix it. My buddy's going to show me how to fix this TV.
Now use this end or the other end?
I would use a sharp edge, just put it right through it. Try to cut that like a log.
Upward.
However you want to do it, it's your baby.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I've been rolling. Come on, put that baby out of his misery. Oh! Oh, it's still working! Oh, God!
Motherfucker don't want to cooperate. You don't want to cooperate that way, maybe you'll cooperate this way.
Oh! Oh! Get that piece of glass out of there. Look what's inside one of these TVs. Let me get rid of this glass before we... The rest is all plastic.
The rest is all plastic?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Beat the shit out. He's fixing this TV. It's going to work good as brand new. Damn. Oh, there's a metal plate in that bastard.
No wonder why I fucking don't want to breathe.
Oh, think you got that metal plate loose. Hit that black shit. You're supposed to hit the damn something. I got the wire. Man, there ain't shit in these new TVs, is there? Oh. Damn, is that reflect? Well, that's cool. That reflection. Like a reflector. I think you did it in good. Yeah, now that's how you fix a TV. If it ever gives you an issue, do it this way. It'll guarantee to work.